Hey everyone, you're welcome back guys. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you an amazing ingredients that would help you to remove dark knuckles. Now as a lady, let's tell ourselves the truth. Dark knuckles actually makes us feel as if we're bleaching. Like people will actually see us as if we're bleaching. Now there are some factors that actually causes dark knuckles, which is dipping your hands into water, home chores, and some other stuff, which is your cream basically. Okay, that is actually one of the main reasons that brings dark knuckles. So this is a very simple remedy that would actually help you to clear it, but of course you have to be consistent because this is natural, like that is the truth. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Don't forget to turn on that post notification, subscribe, and like the video, and let's go. Okay guys, so an amazing ingredient to help you remove your dark knuckles and have your even clear skin. You're going to be needing this, and this is onion. So you're going to be needing onion for this ingredient. So here I have my half onion. I'm basically going to be using this. So I'm going to be cutting the onion. Because I'll have to blend it, yeah? So to aid the blending, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water for this. And red onion is actually going to be better for this, guys. Okay guys, so after that, then you transfer your blended onion into a bowl. And then we're going to be needing sugar. Now sugar contains a smaller granular particles that helps your skin glow. It helps to scrub out the dead skin cells, making your skin look rejuvenated and glowing. So it's going to help to scrub out those dark knuckles. But of course, if you're actually using some bleaching cream, this might not really work very well for you, because the bleaching cream is going to be preventing this ingredient from working very well. So use a very good cream and try this home remedy. It's going to work. So I put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white or brown sugar, whichever sugar you have. You can just use it. It's going to do the job equally. And then also we're going to be needing some rice powder. Now rice powder contains a UV rays protection, and it helps so much to lighten up your skin, rejuvenate it, and make it glow, removing those dark knuckles, dark patches. So I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of my rice powder. Okay guys, so for the interest of those who do not know where to get rice powder, you can actually get some rice in your kitchen, and then you blend it into a powder form. Basically you have your rice powder. Okay, so I'm gonna stir, and we're equally going to be needing baking soda. Now baking soda or bicarbonate of soda is amazing for the skin when it comes to dark patches, dark spots, and pigmentation on the skin, because it scrub out dead skin cells, revealing a newer skin, and it scrub out a burnt skin. Okay, so we're equally going to be making use of that, and this is actually going to change the color basically, because onion and baking soda when it gets together, the color would actually change to a light green or gray kind of color. Yeah, basically that's what I have here. The color has changed, but it has actually not changed the effectiveness. Okay, all right, so the next ingredient is gonna be this, and this is potato. Now potato contains a lightening property. Now when used on a dark patches or dark knuckles, it will actually help to lighten it up. Okay, so I'm gonna be peeling this up. Now potato is perfect for a pigmented skin, and it also contains an ingredient that helps to lighten up your skin and make your skin glow. So I'm going to be cutting them into pieces. And then I'll grab a blender. Okay guys, so I'm actually not going to be putting in water. I'm going to be transferring this treatment into this potato mix that I just finished cutting. Okay, and then we're going to blend it and blend it well, because we actually need a thick consistency to actually do the job. This is actually going to blend the sugar, the baking soda, and the consistency is going to be really thick. So let's blend. Okay guys, so I'm done blending, and now I'm going to be transferring it into my bowl. And then here I have it. Okay, the consistency is perfect. Everything is blended in together and mixed properly, and your dark knuckle remedy is ready. Okay, now we have about 5 ingredients for this. Okay, and these ingredients are very helpful, so do not skip anyone. Yeah, okay guys, so if you have a dark knuckles, like for me, I honestly do not have some dark knuckles because I don't use bleaching cream and I don't expose too much on the sun. Now, not only bleaching cream brings about dark knuckles, excessive dipping your hands into water actually make your knuckles also get dark. Okay, so you're going to grab this and then you rub it generously onto your knuckle area. All of your knuckles. Now if you have dark knee and dark elbow and all of that, you can equally, you know, use this. Okay, so there you go. Now you have to use your right hand and apply on your left hand, because I'm very sure in every dark knuckles the right side used to be darker than the left side, because the right side actually does a whole lot of chores more than the left side. Okay guys, so after which you actually put it, then you leave it like this for a little while. You know, you leave it like this for at least 30 minutes. Let it sit on your knuckles and at least soften it. Okay, now if you're not going to be staying for 30 minutes, you have to first of all dip your hands into water and let your let the water soften your hand first. Then when you apply this, you have to wait for at least 3 minutes to 4 minutes, and then you start scrubbing. Now you have to concentrate on those parts where the knuckles are dark, and then you scrub in a circular motion. You see what I'm doing? Scrub in a circular motion. Scrub like that. Okay, so you scrub just like that. You know, just give it time. Relax on your couch, sit down and scrub your hands. If you basically just want the dark knuckles to go, you just have to scrub this and scrub this a whole lot. Okay, you scrub it and scrub it really well. Okay, so you keep your hand like this, and then you take the ingredient into your palms, put your hands, scrub it like this. You put this side too and scrub it like this. So you do the same thing here. Put your hands and put your knuckles and scrub it like that. Basically this way, this way. Now scrub this at least 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week. Okay, do not scrub it every day so that you don't bruise your skin because of the baking soda. This is gonna go. Okay guys, so that's it. Go wipe off all of those dark knuckles and have your skin looking, have your hands looking like this, uniform. Okay, without any knuckles, and people are not gonna be looking you like, okay, she's bleaching. Okay, you know that thing. All right guys, so that's it. So go give this a try, and I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, and I'll see you again. Bye.